Bayan. Okay.
So there's so
Puja.
many-
Puja. So this is our room. Oh my god! It's such a cute, nice bamboo house. And let's check out the washroom. Oh my god, look at this shower area, guys. Okay, so now let me just show you the outside areas. We have a river flowing just right next to our room. Okay guys, so after 14-hour long journey, we are finally here and I've just taken a quick shower. So yeah, now we're just gonna chill and cheers to Bali. So our first day in Bali.
Yeah.
And oh my god guys, this place is unreal. This is the coolest Airbnb I've ever seen.
You're my tropical storm. Oh, 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 swept away, swept away. You're my tropical storm. Oh, 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 swept away, swept away.
Our dinner is here. And now it's time to doze off because we want to see the sunrise tomorrow here. So we are really excited for that. So good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys. It's such a lovely morning today and now it's time to go in there. So let's put the flowers. So yeah guys, it's time to leave and I'm so sad. I don't want to leave this place. Just look at this view. I mean, I can just stay here for like a good 1 week and just do nothing at all. But the next property is equally amazing. I'm so excited to see that one as well. So yesterday was just a very chill, relaxing day at Hideout and now we are going to explore UBUD. So guys, we have reached our second destination. So this is again, we have booked it on AirBnB and this place is epic. Like our suite is called Epic Suite actually. And this is our balcony here. So let me just show you. I was so excited to be in this Airbnb as well, just like the Hideout one. So yeah, let's see how this goes. And now we're super hungry, so we're gonna grab some lunch here. Hey guys, so we've just freshened up now, and now we're going to chill in their pool area. So this is what's happening. It's 5 p.m. and we're chilling in our balcony right here. Okay guys, so these 2 days were planned in a way that we just want to chill and do nothing else. And now tomorrow we are going to ANUSARA luxury villas, and yeah, there's a lot more UBUD coming up, so stay tuned. So now we are in UBUD Center. So we just got us flip-flops from here. These are yours, these are mine. Happy? Happy, Sarah? Oh my god, such a nice store. Let's check it out. Aloha UBUD. Hey guys, so we just had breakfast and we are all ready, and now we have reached this place, Aloha UBUD. So this is where the swing is and those pretty nets, so we are just here for the pictures.
Aloha! Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, that swing was so much fun. You should definitely do this. So now we are buying tickets to the Tegenungan. What's it called? Tegenungan Waterfall. So I'm really bad with the names here because it's so difficult.
Okay, 120?
So there's a bit of a walk here. That's the waterfall right there. God, guys, this is so look at this. That's a ranch right there. Okay, so while coming back, it was tough. See, I'm breathing so heavily. So now we need this because we are super tired. So we are having this organic Italian gelato. So, Ferrero Rocher for us. Okay, so let's enter our villa here. So this is our lobby area. We have the couch here and the kitchen is this side. And now oh my god, look at this. But before going here, let's just check out the room first. This is our room here. And this is our tub here. Can't wait to take a bubble bath here, man. And that side is our shower area. Look at this, man. Oh my god. And it's all open from here, so that's really cool. Okay, so now my favorite part of the room is this. Just look at the pool, man. We have the forest right there. So we have shower here as well. And we have a sitting here. So nice. So right here you see is all the jungle view. And come here, you're gonna see this, okay? This area we have our rice terrace. So this is another section of the villa. So that's so cool. Just look at this. Oh my god, that's like dense jungle right there, man. Hey, good morning guys. So we woke up pretty early today as we have a tour planned up for exploring UBUD. So it was a very short stay at ANUSARA, but then we really loved the place, and now we're just going to head to the breakfast area and then go for the tour. So let's go. Cheers, Saransh.
Cheers. Breakfast cheers.
So we have reached the rice terrace. Morning.
Please follow me, yeah? We're going inside.
Okay, perfect.
This here we have cacao.
Okay.
Have you seen before?
No.
The one for chocolate,
Oh, okay.
cocoa seed.
Cocoa seed.
No
Okay.
smell. Must
Okay.
be dry first and roasted.
Okay.
After that, the color are changing to the brown.
Brown, yeah.
Okay.
And then the aroma will come out.
Oh, this is the coffee bean.
So what's
Yeah.
this coffee bean?
But
Alright.
still
Yeah.
young. The process inside.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, we have
nice.
this here in the cage we have luwak. You know
Oh.
maybe luwak?
No.
They eat coffee,
Mhm.
process and poo.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Is one of the most expensive coffee in the world.
Yeah.
Oh.
Choose the bean from the tree and
Okay.
then the poo.
Then they poo where? Here?
Under the coffee tree only.
Under the coffee tree.
And then
Oh.
we collect.
Oh my god. So it comes from the poop of that animal. Oh my god.
So this is Luwak.
Luwak coffee.
And this is
That's regular.
regular.
Yeah, that's why the Luwak coffee more price, like expensive of coffee, because the animal choose only the best bean.
Okay.
It's from the good bean, selected bean.
So this is how it's roasted.
This is traditional process and the color turns to be black.
And this is the animal.
We just saw this animal.
Yes. Yeah, this Luwak coffee is the most expensive coffee in the world, and I can't wait to try this one.
these all other coffees also.
Yeah, they also have normal Bali coffee, Bali coconut coffee, vanilla coffee. But I'm really excited for the Luwak. But Saransh, are you gonna have the coffee that's come out of the poop of that animal?
Yeah, I'm just gonna have. They are charging.
I'm feeling a bit, I don't know.
No, not
No?
at all. But it's processed. They've dried up.
So let's start with Bali coffee here.
It's bitter.
Yeah, very bitter. Yeah, it's bitter.
It's very
but-
strong, very bitter.
I really like this.
With coconut milk and coconut sugar.
Oh. This is coffee with
avocado.
With avocado. This is quite interesting. it was such an interesting experience, like actually seeing all that plants with the coffee beans and how it's actually dried and processed. I think this is definitely a must-do activity when you are in Bali, right?
Of course.
For sure.
For sure. Luwak coffee. Little lady.
So we have finally bought the Luwak coffee and the coconut coffee and the lemongrass tea.
Here we are.
So we are in TIRTA Ganga now. There is actually a line for this. You just can't just get in. You have to follow the queue. So we're just waiting for our turn here. Good afternoon. Hello. Thank you. We just had our lunch here, but honestly, it wasn't a good place at all. The food, although you just saw the food looked amazing, but it was cold and it was not good at all. So definitely don't recommend this place. Okay guys, so now we are headed to the Lempuyang Temple. So let's see how that is. Crazy queue, man, just to get that picture clicked right there. You're among them as well, waiting and super tired.
It's been approximately 2 hours to get a shot.
Is it worth it?
Let's see.
Let's see after the picture.
Yeah, the shot.
So after 2.5 hours of waiting, we finally got the pictures clicked, and guys, trust me, it was worth it. I'll just put up the picture here. So UBUD is almost over and it was super fun. UBUD was beautiful. I'm so glad it was in our itinerary. And now from, I think, yeah, it's Friday. For the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we are in Uluwatu. So we'll see you in Uluwatu now.